In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset balance on Admirals demo account. Now to do this, you first want to go to your dashboard, click on My Accounts here in the top left, and then from here you want to switch over to the Demo tab to see your demo accounts. In here you want to pick the account you want to reset the balance off. For example, I'm going to go with this one, and I'm going to click on the Settings cogwheel. Then you want to click on Account Settings, and you want to go to the top right where it says Add or Deduct Funds. When you click on this over here, you'll see that you're going to be able to add or deduct your funds. So to reset it, you simply have to know how much your balance was in the first place. So in my case, it was 100K. So I have to add another 50K because I have 50K on here right now. So I'm just going to type in 50K, click on add, and there we go. I've reset the balance. That's essentially all you have to do. But if you want to deduct it, you could also do that. If I want to go back to 50K, I have to deduct this, and there we go. I'm back on 50K. That's how to reset your balance. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.